This morning we're going to cover how to drop a collection in MongoDB. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch Mongo, and we're going to go to our SQL N6 database, and then we're going to show collections. And we will see that we have add to me, SQL Server, the Mongo collection, and what I'm going to do here is I am going to create a collection called drop me. So we're going to do db dot create collection called drop me, and then we're going to show collections, and we see drop me, and then we're going to drop the collection, which is going to be db dot drop me dot drop true, and then show collections, and we will see that that removes the collection. Now, one of the things that I realize a lot of people may ask is, okay, so especially like in SQL Server, you can just drop a table, a comma table, a comma table. If you're going to want to drop a multitude of collections, what you will want to do is you will want to loop through collections and drop the collections that way. Now, of course, if you don't organize your data in a certain way, like you don't organize your collections, it may be a little bit difficult to loop through it. But just a quick point about MongoDB. So it is written in JavaScript, and you can use JavaScript in it. For instance, if I were to do a for loop, and I'm off the top of my head not super familiar with JavaScript, but I believe it works similar to this. So if I say for I equals 1, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and then if I were to do print I, what it should do is it should print 1 through 9, and it does. Okay, and so that's pretty amazing that I remembered a for loop. But JavaScript, anything that you do in JavaScript, you can run JavaScript through MongoDB. In fact, you can even load JavaScripts through MongoDB. So what I would suggest if you want to drop multiple collections, of course, is that you definitely want to make sure that you organize your data a certain way to where you can loop through those collections, get those, and then drop the collection. As you see, it's just going to be the only thing that's going to change is the DB and then the collection name and then dot drop.